You've been going to the gym for 3, maybe 4 months. You train hard, you sweat, you are sore. But when you look in the mirror, almost nothing has changed. I've been there. And it's not bad genetics. It's not because you don't have creatine or some expensive supplement. After analyzing over 50 studies and talking to natural bodybuilding coaches, I found that 90% of beginners make the exact same 3 mistakes that completely block muscle growth. And the worst part? Your favorite fitness influencer probably does them too. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly what they are and how to fix them today. 2. Let's start with mistake number 1, and it's the most common. You don't eat enough protein. Look, I know you heard it before. Eat more protein. But almost no one tells you how much you actually need. Most teens I talk to eat maybe 70 to 90 grams a day. That's not enough to build anything. Here is the science. A meta-analysis from 2024, published in Sports Medicine, analyzed 49 studies on young men who resistance train. The result? To maximize muscle growth, you need between 0.8 and 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 160 pounds, which is about 73 kilos, you need 130 to 160 grams of protein every single day. Not just on training days, every day. Why? Because muscle is literally made from amino acids, which come from protein. If you don't provide the bricks, your body cannot build the house. It's that simple. And here is what most beginners do wrong. They eat like 30 grams at lunch and dinner, and almost nothing for breakfast. Your body can only use about 30 to 40 grams per meal for muscle building. So here is the fix I use with my clients. Rule 1. Eat protein 4 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 1 snack. Rule 2. Every meal, a palm and a half-sized portion. For example, 3 eggs in the morning. That's 18 grams. 150 grams of chicken at lunch. That's 35 grams. A protein shake after gym. 25 grams. And 150 grams of Greek yogurt before bed. 15 grams. That's already 93 grams. And we didn't even count dinner. Don't overcomplicate it. Track it for 3 days in MyFitnessPal. You will be shocked how little you actually eat. 3. Mistake number 2 is why your muscles have no reason to grow. You lift the same weight for months. This is called the lack of progressive overload, and it's the #1 law of muscle growth. Think about it like this. Your body is lazy. It doesn't want to build muscle because muscle costs a lot of energy. It will only build muscle if you force it, by giving it a stress it has never felt before. If you have been benching 135 pounds, doing 3 sets of 8 for the last 2 months, your body already adapted to that. It has 0 reason to get bigger or stronger. So how do you apply progressive overload? You have 3 options. Option 1, add weight. Next week, instead of 135, try 140. Even 2.5 pounds more is progress. Option 2, add reps. If you did 135 for 8 reps last week, try 9 or 10 reps this week. Option 3, add sets. Go from 3 sets to 4 sets. You only need to improve by 1% every workout. But here is the key. You must track it. Your brain will lie to you. You will think you lift more than you do. Open your Notes app right now. Create a note called Gym Log. Every workout write: exercise, weight, sets, reps. For example, bench press, 135 pounds, 3 times 8. Next week, your only job is to beat that number by a little bit. Do this for 12 weeks. And I promise you will look different. And please, stop changing your workout every Monday because you saw a new TikTok routine. Pick one program and stick to it for at least 90 days. 4. And now mistake number 3, the one that kills 40% of your gains without you even knowing. You sleep 5 to 6 hours. I know. School, homework, Netflix, scrolling. I get it. But listen to this. Muscles don't grow in the gym. When you train, you create tiny micro tears in the muscle fiber. That's damage. The actual growth happens when you sleep. When you sleep deep, your body releases up to 70% of its daily growth hormone. Growth hormone is literally the chemical that repairs your muscles and makes them bigger. A study from the University of Chicago found that young men who slept only 5 hours for 1 week had 28% less testosterone, and their muscle protein synthesis dropped by 18%. So you are training hard, but your body is in no state to build. And sleeping 4 hours on weekdays and 12 hours on weekends does not work. Your circadian rhythm gets destroyed. Here is the simple protocol that works for me and for guys I coach who are still in school. 1. Same bedtime and same wake time. Yes, even on weekends. Plus minus 30 minutes. Your body loves rhythm. 2. No phone 60 minutes before bed. The blue light blocks melatonin. If you must use your phone, turn on night shift and put it face down. 3. Cold, dark room. Your room should be 18 to 19 degrees Celsius and completely dark. Your sleep quality will double. Try to get 7.5 to 8.5 hours. Not 6, not 10. 8 hours. If you do only this one thing for the next 14 days, your strength will go up, your focus in school will go up, and you will look more muscular because your muscles will finally be full and recovered. 0.5. Okay, let's recap quickly so you remember it. 1. Eat 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, spread across 4 meals. Track it. 2. Apply progressive overload. Track your lifts and beat last week's numbers. 3. Sleep 8 hours at the same time every night. If you fix just these 3, you will build more muscle in the next 90 days than in the last year. And as a bonus, mistake number 4 that I see everywhere: you don't eat enough calories. If you are skinny and not gaining weight, you are not in a calorie surplus. Add 300 calories. A handful of nuts and a banana after dinner is enough. Now, your turn. Comment below. Which of these 3 mistakes are you making right now? Be honest. I read every comment. And in the next video, I'm going to break down what is literally killing your testosterone at 16 to 20 years old. And it's not what you think. Things like energy drinks, vapes, and porn, backed by studies. So subscribe to Performance Lab, and I'll see you on Friday.